Hello YouTube, it is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video on a 2023 Hot Wheels unboxing. Today we have the newest color of the classic casting, the Rodger Dodger. In this new livery from Hot Wheels Dream Garage, kind of a pixel livery we have on this one, and a matte white color on this. This is from Hot Wheels Dream Garage for 2023. Number 2 of 5 and number 32 of 250 for 2023. And this sponsors Hot Wheels Unleashed Design Battle. So Hot Wheels Unleashed is the video game that Hot Wheels created. And this is kind of sponsoring it. This casting's been out since around 1973, I think. Or no, 1970. And this is a really classic casting, loved by collectors. And they still make it. Very cool. There's the back there. This came from around, I think, C case or B case. I think B case. No, I'm not sure actually. I think B case, yeah. But anyways, let's crack this open. I have a line of Rodger Dodgers. It's becoming one of my favorite castings, and I just got another release of this. Looks great with the matte white. Looks like we have some gold chrome engine and pipes. And nice spinning wheels. Those are muscle car 5-spoke wheels in white. Looking great with those, what is that color? Looks like gold and gold orange-ish color and black pixels. Pretty nice. Number 73 on the side. This casting is based off of a 1973 Dodge Charger SE. There's the front of it right there. Big blown engine. Pretty nice. Kind of a big muscle car. This has a black plastic base made in Malaysia, as the usual main lines are manufactured in. And just check this out, really nice casting. Another great release of this Rodger Dodger. Sponsoring Hot Wheels Unleashed, very nice white color overall with the pixel designs and the the gold interior and engine and pipes as well. Pretty nice looking. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe for more. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.